Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of garlic. We're going to explore its incredible benefits, the best ways to take it, and some important tips to avoid any side effects. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our health tips and recipes. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's get started. Garlic has been used for thousands of years, both as a flavorful addition to dishes and for its medicinal properties. It's rich in compounds like allicin, which is known for its potent biological effects. The importance and uses of garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. It's known to boost the immune system, reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and even act as a natural antibiotic. It's also packed with antioxidants that help protect against cell damage and aging. It's commonly used in cooking to add flavor to dishes, but its health benefits make it a staple in many natural remedies as well. Best time to take garlic. Now, when is the best time to take garlic to reap its benefits? Ideally, you want to consume garlic in the morning on an empty stomach. This can enhance its effects, especially its ability to boost your immune system and detoxify your body. How to take garlic for maximum benefits. Let's talk about the best ways to take garlic. You can consume garlic either raw or in supplement form. Here are the two most effective methods. Mashed or crushed garlic. Crush or chop a clove of garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This activates the allicin, which is responsible for most of garlic's health benefits. You can add it to salads, salsas, or mix it with honey for easier consumption. This method maximizes the allicin content, providing the highest health benefits. Swallowing whole garlic cloves. Peel a small clove of garlic. Swallow it whole with a glass of water. This is easier on the stomach and reduces the strong odor. This method is gentler on your digestive system but might not be as effective in terms of allicin production. Alternatively, you can opt for aged garlic extract supplements. These are less likely to cause digestive discomfort and still offer many of the health benefits of fresh garlic. Side effects and precautions. While garlic is incredibly beneficial, it's important to take it properly to avoid side effects. Consuming large amounts of raw garlic can lead to digestive issues such as heartburn, nausea, or gas. It can also cause bad breath and body odor. To minimize these risks, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. If you're taking medication, especially blood thinners, consult your doctor before adding large amounts of garlic to your diet. Who should take garlic? So, who can benefit the most from taking garlic? Practically everyone can benefit from its immune-boosting and heart-protective properties. However, it's particularly beneficial for people with high blood pressure or high cholesterol, those with a weakened immune system, individuals at risk of cardiovascular diseases, anyone looking to improve their overall health and detoxify their body. In summary, garlic is a versatile and powerful addition to your diet. Whether you take it raw, in supplements, or use it in your cooking, it offers a myriad of health benefits. Just remember to start slow and listen to your body to avoid any side effects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from garlic's amazing properties. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes from this channel. See you next time.